Hello everybody, it's Tanner. Hopefully my voice is sounding a little bit better than the last video. Today I am taking out my quad for a flight to test out this FPV system that I've been working on the past couple days. I added on a video transmission system, and it's about 600 milliwatts. So I just wanted to test it out and see what kind of connection I would get. Right here you all are watching a recorded video using the Mobius Action cam on the drone. I was I was unable to record the FPV. I don't have a DVR to record that at all, so y'all can see the connection. But this is just 1080p. I was using the same camera for recording and transmission, so there might have been a little bit of latency too, especially because I was at 1080p. Most people recommend recording and transmitting at 720p for the lowest latency, but I had to go 1080p to get some really good footage of just the scenery around me. It's really beautiful when I take it up higher. So my transmission system is mounted on the top of the aircraft with a stock antenna, and so with this stock antenna, it's kind of not the best setup anyways. I'm looking to hopefully upgrade to an omnidirectional antenna for both the receiver and the transmitter. If you all have any recommendations, definitely comment below or let me know what kind I should get. I want to do some experiments with the range and see what kind of range I can get using different antennas like this. So I'm also using the tri-blade propellers from the last video. I feel like these are pretty smooth. My aircraft, I think, stays a lot more stable. There's my girlfriend and my mom in the background. They were kind of helping me spot the aircraft while I was looking at the screen. I think it's good to have a spotter whenever you're flying FPV, just to make sure you're not getting too close to anything that's dangerous. Also, I plan on, I mounted the camera on the bottom of the aircraft, so tomorrow I will be taking it out to this park nearby to test that out. Hopefully the park will give me less interference and I'll be able to get some better range as well as some better footage maybe. I think that with the transmission system mounted on the bottom and the antenna facing downwards towards me, I should be able to get some better connection. I'm not sure, but with this setup I kept losing connection when I would kind of go above the tree line or outside of the yard area. But yeah, in this second flight I take it up a little bit higher. I think I definitely get some more a better perspective, I guess, on the area. It's pretty cool. I definitely recommend watching it. At the end of the video I will post pictures of the current setup.
I will also post a picture of the quadcopter with the transmission system posted on the top, mounted on the top of the airframe. I have since then moved the transmission system to the bottom, which I will show you all in another video later on. As for right now, I'm just going to fly. I'm just going to show some aerial footage higher up right here, and then in the next flight, in this video, you'll see some low altitude flying. I'm not too good. I'm still learning the ropes of the whole FPV flight system, pilot system. I'm not too good at it yet, but I apologize for the glare that's coming from the sun. I kind of flew around 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. The sun was kind of causing a glare around sunset, so yeah, I apologize for that. I'll be flying tomorrow morning, hopefully without any glare from the sunset. I'll be able to get some better video footage, and hopefully I'll be able to tell better where the aircraft's going. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. Definitely like and subscribe if you all want to see more content. But yeah, thanks. Bye.
system going through right here. PV system. And that. Yep.